Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Valentine flyer using AI in a step-by-step process. As you can see, these are the images I've created using AI, that is the Bing image creator, using it to create this stunning and amazing flyer. So I'll be teaching you the prompt you are going to type to create this. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Now you open your Google Chrome, then after you've done that, you type Bing image creator. Now as you can see, you click on the first one, that is www.bing.com. then when you click on it, loads. Now we are in. If this is your first time, it won't be like this. You have to register with your email. So let's start. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Then you hit the subscribe button again. You click on all for you to get all notifications. Now you click on create. Wow, love these images. The flyers are good. The first one, the second one, the third and the fourth, they are good. Now let us change the prompt. Let us tweak it a little bit. Let's remove the black and click on create. Let us see what else we have. Wow, look at this. They are great. The first one, the second one. Let us check the one at the bottom there. Whoa, look at this. Very good. The Valentine, the party, the date, everything is good. Love that. And if you want to download, you click the three dot there, then click on download. If you want to download any images, you click on three dot there and download. Let us check another one too as well. Let us check another one. Wow, this is another style. This is good. Let's check another one too. Let's just check this. Wow, love this too as well. Love this. Let us check the other one too. The first one we did. Wow, these are the first one we did. So let us check them one by one. We are going to see this first one. Wow, this is amazing. Love the picture, love the hairstyle of both of them. Let's check the second one too as well. Still loading. Kind of wow, love this too. Love this. Look at the posture. Love the posture too. Wow, look at the posture too. The afro hairstyle, love that too. And let's check the other one too as well. Wow, love this. Even wearing his headphone, the background, having some DJs, love that too. So if you want to learn, that's how to do that in a simple way. Now if you want the prompt, this is the prompt. You can type this on your phone. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment on what you think about this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updated on new video tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.